Hi, I'm Andy Borders, Service Manager for Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. I'd like to thank you for buying your vehicle from us, and I'd like to introduce you to our service department. Once you buy your vehicle, pulling into our service department is super easy. All you need to do is pull into the northwest side of the drive and pull into one of these three great doors, and one of my advisors will greet you immediately.
Hi, I'm Travis, Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. We just wanted to put together a little video for you to show you the process in which we would receive your car, get you taken care of, and in and out as soon as possible.
Once you pull in, my advisor will greet you, do a quick walk-around inspection of your vehicle, and get some information to get a hold of you via text or email. Once my advisor has checked you in, he will get you to one of my many great technicians. They are all ASE certified and Nissan certified, and they are fully trained to work on any vehicle that you bring into our service department.
Hi, I'm Angela Martin. I'm one of the Assistant Service Managers here at Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. We can take care of all your vehicle needs, from classic to new, foreign to domestic. Doesn't matter what you drive, we're here to take care of you. You won't find a better service staff.
While your car is being worked on, you can wait in our waiting room, and you will receive text messages letting you know your vehicle is done and if you want to pay via text.
Hi, I'm Leslie. I'm one of the advisors here at Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. While you're waiting here at Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne, we have a large customer lounge that enables us to practice social distancing. We offer large soda machine, coffee, and vending machines, also free Wi-Fi, and as much TV as you would like to watch.
Once our technicians are done with your vehicle, they'll vacuum the front and wash it for you. It's one of the things that sets us apart.
And if you're in a time crunch, just let us know ahead of time, and we can go ahead and make arrangements to get you out of here quicker.
One great thing about being a Tim Dahle Nissan customer, you're always a customer. You buy a car here or you have your car serviced here, you get free car washes for life.
We have a large fleet of service loaner vehicles, so if your car is going to be here for an extended time, and we can go ahead and make arrangements to get you out of here quicker. We also have access to Lyft and Uber to get you where you need to go.
Again, we want to thank you for your purchase of your vehicle from Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. We know you have many choices to buy and service your vehicle. I hope that you give us the chance for many years to come to buy and service your vehicle and keep it on the road.
You will not find a better service team. When you're here, you're family.